mamas, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Shaded by Jade. If you're new here, welcome. Y'all, let me tell y'all something. So today I'm gonna be vlogging. I'm gonna be getting my lashes done, hopefully my nails, and I'm just gonna be talking to y'all about some products that I love and how I stay feeling like the ultimate bad bitch. And I'm gonna be putting y'all on to the products that I use so that y'all can feel like the ultimate bad bitch too, okay? And then also I'm just gonna be ranting today because y'all was complaining about my vlog the other day, saying that it was not long enough. So y'all gonna be hanging out with me today, and we just gonna be, you know, hanging out like the mamas do. Like, that's what we do. We hang out and we talk shit, we chat, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully y'all don't be telling my business when I be telling y'all stuff, because this is supposed to be a safe place for me. Like, we're supposed to be friends. Y'all should not be telling my business, okay? But that's in my mind though. But anyways, so I just got out the shower, and y'all, let me tell y'all something. So as you know, the girl, I love to get waxed, okay? But sometimes I don't always have time to go get waxed. So with that being said, I used to feel guilty sometimes when I would shave my armpits. It was like, damn, I was just gonna get waxed. But I've been using this company called Harry's. Their razors are so bomb. It gives me a close shave. I'm also gonna insert a clip where y'all can see me shaving my legs and how smooth and foamy the shaving cream is. That helps me get a close shave so I no longer feel guilty anymore. And you guys can get a trial size for $3. And I'm also gonna put my discount code in the description box so that y'all can purchase stuff from them and get a little discount and save some coins, okay? But yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all how I be shaving with that. I'm about to put a clip in. Okay guys, so all you're gonna do is go to harrys.com/jade, and you guys right here can get this trial set for just $3. It comes with a weighted handle for the razor, foaming shaving cream, a 5-blade cartilage, and a blade cover. All of this for just $3. Come on guys, it's a no-brainer. Shop harrys.com/jade to get this set for just $3. When I shave my armpits or my legs with that razor, I don't feel guilty anymore. Like, I don't get all those little nicks and those razor bumps. All that is out the window, okay? So make sure y'all go shop Harry's. I wouldn't steer y'all in the wrong way. Also, I forgot to mention that Harry's is not just specific for one gender. Men could use it to shave their face or, you know, shave any part of their body. Ladies, you guys could use it on your private areas, your bikini areas, your legs, your armpits, all that good stuff. So you and your man can share a razor. Actually, that's kind of disgusting. Don't do that. Y'all, I just washed my hair. I just did like a little wash and go. And all I did was put some Dare to Have hair treatment in it. This will help my curls stay cute and popping. Make sure y'all shop Dare to Have hair. I'm trying to get dressed so I can change her and get her ready for the day. She's just getting into everything, right? Say hi, mommy. Today's scent. If you know about this company, then you know I'm gonna put my discount code in the description box. But I have another video coming up to talk more about this perfume, you guys. I love it. This is the one that kind of smells like Baccarat. But stay tuned for my next video because I'm going to give you guys all the details on the new perfumes that I got from Doucier. Look at my princess. Hi, Leanie. Hey, baby girl. Hey, mommy, 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 mommy.
Say hi.
She like, stop talking.
Hi. Say mommy hi. Good.
Leanie, clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Let me see you clap your hands. Come on, smart baby. Come on, clap. Yay! Clap, clap, clap. Hey guys, so I'm here about to get my lashes done. We got Ashley. Where you at?
I'm right here. Where you at?
Wait, where you at? Oh, there she go. And there goes Jamal. Say hey, Jamal. This is the one responsible for this install. I'll put his information and Ashley's information in the description box. Let me go ahead and get these lashes done. Thank you, sis. They look beautiful. Make sure you guys book the SBJ set with my girl Ashley Nicole. So we're in Home Goods, and these are the containers I'm going to get to put Celine's snacks in and to just organize my pantry too. But look, y'all, this is the stuff y'all can organize your refrigerator with. I was trying to go to the container store, but they were closed. So I'm gonna go tomorrow because I wanted to find these specific containers to put my medicine in. But random thought, y'all, I'm low-key kind of getting tired of Atlanta. Like, when I first moved here, I thought like you were supposed to like live here and network with like all these bosses and shit like that. But in all actuality, once you get to really link up with these girls, they're really not bosses. Like, they're all just really looking for niggas to just put them on a come up. And literally, all them bitches be like that. Like, them little Instagram bitches that y'all be thinking, it's like, you know, got this business, got that. It be all a lie. Everybody moves here and just thinks that they're gonna find them a fucking rapper and just become a rapper's girlfriend. Like, it's so fucking annoying. Like, I'm just happy I have my little group of friends and that's who I kick it with. Okay? Be a boss, ladies. Get your own money, get your own bag. And then when you pull that type of nigga, perfect, because he's gonna match what you got going on. Like, be your own come up. Okay, ladies? Be your own come up. Okay, guys, making chicken, blackened chicken Alfredo. I'm put some on. So this is the cabinet that I have to tackle, I know. So I was trying to get some stuff for this, but I don't know. But I got some stuff for Celine's stuff first. And then I've got extra containers and stuff, so we'll see what I can use with it. If not, I'll just take that shit back. And I'm gonna go to the container store tomorrow to get whatever else I need. But I'm gonna show y'all the app. I also bought this. Excuse my nails, I'm getting them done in the morning. But I bought this, and look how, because I used to struggle with taking stickers off stuff I bought, and look how easy that comes off. Focus. Whatever, y'all. But look how easy that came off. And you know we made the Alfredo sauce from scratch with heavy cream and Parmesan cheese. And to really make it taste Italian, you're gonna add a little bit of lemon juice. And I just added a little broccoli in here. And blackened seasoning, a lot of blackened seasoning. So good, guys. So as y'all remember, I did this, but I took out the white one and put silver. It looks so much better. Like, I just did not like that white because it didn't match with that. So I got a silver one today for like $3 from Home Goods, and I'm just gonna take the other one back. Well, no, I'm not gonna take the other one back because I'm gonna use it for under my sink in the bathroom. But this looks so good. Okay, guys, this is my disaster down here. Okay, so I'll have like a candle collection. I'm gonna get some more candles. Maybe tomorrow we can go to Bath and Body Works. But all of this needs to be organized, so I'm gonna show y'all when I'm done. Okay, so this is the finished look. All my candles are down here, and the plugins, I gotta put a clear container to put those plugins and sanitizer in. Gotta get some more soap and put my towels there. And yep, all done. Excuse the ugliness, guys, but y'all know that I'm not selling skincare anymore, so I have a few people coming to pick up all the stuff that I'm no longer using. So yeah, I gotta go to the office today, ship out a few orders. Normally I don't go to the office the same time every day, depending on my day. If she has doctor's appointments, or if I have hair, or if I have hair appointments, nail appointments and stuff, like, you know, because it's pretty flexible for me. That's why I go every day for the most part. But yeah, let's start this day. So y'all, now that I have my coffee, I'm about to clean up a little bit. This stuff is so bomb. I use Dawn dish soap to clean, literally, but I love this. I've been using it for like a year or two now, and I also see cleaning TikToks, they be using it too. But you know, let's start our day with a clean kitchen and end it with one too. Let's go. this new planner from Home Goods. I love a new planner. So I'm about to skip to March and plan my day and make sure all my bills is paid for the week. Today's Thursday. Normally I do that on a Friday, but let's just get it out the way now, honest. And y'all need a good planner too. Plan the night before, so that way you already know what you need to wake up and do. But I just got this planner yesterday and I kind of went to bed late, so I forgot to do this. But I'm gonna do it now. So I just uploaded the part 2 to another webinar that I did, because I know I'm not doing skincare no more. So I'm about to let y'all in on a secret. Y'all can learn how to start a skincare business and make your own products, or you can use vendors. I have vendors on there. You can watch me show you how to make products, all for $19.99, and it comes with a free cheat sheet. So I'm about to I just uploaded that, and y'all can get it for $19.99. I'll put the link in the description box. But I'm about to take a shower. Y'all, this is so bomb. I need to get more. It's from Bath and Body Works. It's the Hot Spring Spa. Oh my god, if you want to have a nice relaxing day and just feel good, the smell, I love eucalyptus. So anything with eucalyptus I'm gonna buy, because it just gives me tranquility and peace. This is so fucking bomb. They need to make a candle like this. I use this and a lotion, but I'm gonna get me some more. Hopefully we can make it there today. But I'm running a little bit late, so I'm about to hop in the shower, get myself dressed, and then get Celine ready. Okay.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't
Let me see you clap.
trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop.
Okay, y'all, so I need to get me some more wallflowers and some more of that spa stuff I was telling y'all about. We are back home. So I just got a salad from Chick-fil-A. Y'all gotta try that market salad. It's so good with spicy grilled chicken. It has like apples, blue cheese, raspberry. It has the vinaigrette. So I just got out the shower and I tried on some of the stuff from Zara, and it did not fit because your girl has booty and hips. So yeah, I'm gonna take some of the stuff back, and then I'm gonna show y'all, because I don't want to show y'all and then like you're not gonna understand the idea behind the outfit. It's gonna look dumb on me. Y'all gonna be like, girl, why are you wearing that? But anyways, let me show y'all some of the stuff that I got from Bath and Body Works. Let me do a thumbnail. So this is one of my favorites, the Japanese cherry blossom. It's a classic. So I got this. They had buy two get one free off of the body stuff. They didn't have the hot spring stuff no more, y'all. They discontinued it. I'm so sorry. So no, not discontinued. I don't think they're gonna bring it back until another season. And then I just ordered, this was so random, but I just ordered some furniture. And then I got the sweet pea spray. I use this stuff before bed or maybe like after the gym. I don't like wear this stuff like to do anything with my day, you know what I mean? It don't even really last, but I love to smell good before I go to bed. And then I got, then I got some of my favorite candles, which this is Vanilla Bean. My two favorite candles from, well, three favorite candles from Bath and Body Works is Vanilla Bean, Raspberry Mimosa, and like anything that's like relaxing with eucalyptus is my favorite. I got two of these. And then let me show y'all. Oh, I got a whole bunch of sanitizers too. And look at this, it's so cute. I'm gonna put this, focus. I'm gonna put this on Celine's diaper bag. She had a ballerina, but it broke. This one is more sturdy, so I think we should be okay. And on her diaper bag, I always get the natural, well not natural, but this is like a water and aloe sanitizer. It's not that she uses it, but I use it like while we're out, if I need to change her diaper, or if, you know, I had to touch her or whatever. I just try to use something that's like not as frequent, you know what I mean? And that is all. I got this cute little headband from Zara too. I thought it was so cute. I was just trying it on. But yeah, y'all, I am going to do a luxury, I never buy luxury stuff for myself, but I'm gonna do like a luxury video where I'm gonna show y'all some pieces that I'm buying. It's probably gonna be in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Like I said, y'all was talking shit about my last vlog saying it wasn't long enough, so hopefully this one is long and entertaining. And my nails, I wanted to get more clouds, but Celine was like not letting me have my way today. And my allergies are killing me, y'all. I keep fucking with my eyes. But anyways, I love y'all so much. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. If you're one of the mamas, let me know. Comment below. And I love y'all.